Okay, my friends, I've built up the actual cannon here from the Miniart kit. So we're working on the Miniart kit here. This new one. And let's have a bit of a measure and see what she looks like against the Dragon Das Work one. And you can see there is a significant issue or something going on here with this Miniart cannon. See if we can line it up exactly. You see the first join there seems right, but it seems like they've got it short by, I don't know, maybe just a tiny bit. I'm not sure if the Dragon one's wrong. I'm not sure which one's wrong, but there does seem to be an issue there. I have sent an email to Miniart to ask for their explanation on what's going on here, and I expect to hear their response. Hopefully I hear a response. If I don't, I'm not sure. I'll send another email, and we'll see what's going on here. That is quite different, but in this kit there is different parts to build different models. They've already put in, like, there was spare parts in here that we haven't used. Let's see. So we have a different set of those rear parts for the base. We also have, because I've already built the actual front part there, there's different front parts right there. So there was a different sprue actually set aside for this part, this model here, but there are actual, seems like stock standard parts, and you can see there even that toe part was in a different thing. So I'm not sure what's going on. I've sent them an email and we'll see what's happening, but it does look, I think, you know, the difference is huge, but it does look like there is a difference there. So we'll see what's happening. All right, my friends, I'll speak to you again soon. Bye.